Get promos and discounts from Filipino startups. Check out our partners at the description.
Welcome sa fourth ever in-person podcast ng Startup Podcast PH. Andito tayo ngayon sa office and co-working space ng Upscale Innovation Hub. And interview natin ang startup sa kanilang latest cohort. So ang fourth na kasama natin is Cool Gear. And we have one of its co-founders, Ivan Nara. Hello, Ivan. Kamusta? Kamusta?
Yes. Hello, Podcast PH listeners and viewers. So, on behalf of Kogi, we are honored to be interviewed with Sir Johnny.
Yes, actually nakita ko si Cool Gear nung demo day ng Upscale. So dito rin siya ginanap yung demo day. And actually ang dami ko nakilalang mga tao doon. And nakilala ko yung latest cohort si Cool Gear. And ang cool nga kasi meron kayo nung demo dinemo niyo si Cool Gear. Pero ano ba tong Cool Gear na to So I'll have you do the introduction, Ivan. So ano nga ba ang Cool Gear?
Yeah. So, Cool Gear is a patented wearable cooling device which you can wear at the back of your neck. So, with its direct contact with the skin, it will cool your body, and it is designed for motorcycle riders, cyclists, fitness enthusiasts, and outdoor workers. So, it's
Oh.
basically a device that will help you cool your body, especially under the hot environment, extreme heat of the sun.
Yun, cool.
So
Actually,
cool.
first of all, napakainit sa Pilipinas
Tama.
ngayon. Actually, palamig na daw ng onte, pero mainit pa rin Lalo na nung April, talagang, lalo na at ngayon, El Nino, So, very, very, very hot. And I think kailangan nga natin magpa-cool. So, punta muna natin si Cool Gear, yung device, So, sabi mo, lalagay dito sa batok, sa
Yes,
nape,
yes.
So, how does it work? And how do you turn it? How does it work? So, ano ba talaga ito si Cool Gear?
Okay, so our first product is called Cool Gear Max. So this Cool Gear Max comes with two parts. We have the cooling part and then the power control part. So you will wear it like a necklace, and then the
Oh,
cooling part will have a direct contact with your nape skin,
okay.
and then you can turn it on using the power control part. So there's a button there that you can turn it in low, medium, high, or off, and then there's a battery indicator and a setting indicator. So you can also charge it using a Type C plug or USB Type C.
Okay. So, una may low, medium, high. Ano yung
Yes.
difference ng low, medium, high? I mean, sa electric fan kasi 'di ba yung bilis bilis nung blade. So, how about in Cool Gear? Ano yung low, medium, high? And by the way, paano nga ba nagwo-work yung pampa-cool ni Cool Gear?
Yeah,
Hangin ba
so
siya or what is it?
tama, yes. So that's also one of the misconception about Cool Gear, that Cool Gear is the same like the other existing solutions, fans. But Cool Gear uses a thermoelectric cooling. So that works by when you supply electricity, the other side cools down and the other one heats up. So it's basically when you put it at the back of your neck, it will absorb the heat of your body, but in return, you will feel
Yeah.
cooling sensation. And then the other part, we will try with the fan inside the device. We are maximizing the dissipation to the environment. So unlike fans, it's just air blowing in your face or in your body. This one is like an ice pack at the back of your neck.
Oh, ice pack in the back of your neck.
Yes.
Medyo curious lang ako kasi this is very engineering and I like this kind of startups kasi ito yung mga startups na talaga may product, may tangible product. And patented kayo, right? So, in the simplest way, pero technical way pa rin. So, paano nangyayari yung nag-absorb ng heat ng katawan yung nandito sa nape? So, can you explain it in an easy, in a basic way na maintindihan ng ating mga listeners? Or may ice ba doon? Of course, wala namang ice doon, di ba? So, paano ba nangyayari yun niya?
Yeah, so with our main technology, the cooling device, thermoelectric cooling module. So when it's directly contact with the skin, so as I've said, when you supply the electricity, the other side cools down and the other side heats up. So this cool side, it will have a direct contact with your skin. So it will absorb the heat of your body, but
Mm,
you will feel a cooling sensation.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
and then the other side, so it will absorb the heat of your body and put it in the other side, and then inside the device, we have a heat sink and a fan that, as much as
Ah,
possible, we will dissipate the heat outside the environment.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, tutulungan niya ilabas yung heat sa katawan ko. Palabas dun sa hinihigop kumbaga nung device and then pupunta dun sa kabila and then ilalabas niya mula dun sa kabila.
Yes.
Tama ba yun?
Yes. And then you will feel a cooling sensation. So as I said, like
Oh.
an ice pack, a rechargeable ice pack. Yes.
Okay, okay. And this is battery operated or
Yes.
charge siya in an outlet tapos macha-charge siya and then how long yung battery life nito?
Yes. Another part of the device is a power control part. And then it has a built-in battery, and then it can full charge with a max setting. It can run up to 4 hours.
Oh. Okay, okay, that's nice, ano. So, puntahan naman natin yung paano nga ba nagsimula yung idea ni Cool Gear. Of course, you have a problem that you're solving, ano, yung init sa Pilipinas. Or hindi lang Pilipinas actually ang mainit. Basta init, yung init ng temperature. So, paano nga ba nagmula, paano nga ba ipinanganak, kumbaga, yung product ni Cool Gear? So, how did this all start?
Yes, this is also one of my favorite questions. So Cool Gear started as a college thesis, and that was
Oh,
4 years ago,
oh.
2019. So it's one of our co-founder, Kenneth. He was concerned with his grandparents when his grandparents went outside, and then they are at risk to heat-related illnesses. And then they went inside the mall, so there's a rapid change
Change.
in temperature, and also he was also concerned with his dog, so and then that's just an additional. So and that was the start when we um think of a way that how we can solve the problem of the people getting at risk to heat related illnesses. Yeah, so and then also uh before we enrolled to our last semester, our advisor told us that we need to have this idea, and then each of us, we are three in the group, and then each of the co-founders think of individual projects, and then it's, as I said, Kenneth idea is more on a cooling jacket, so it's one of our first product. It's a cooling jacket, and then I think you also, I think did you saw the our Facebook post, the evolution of our product?
And sige, you can tell, you can tell,
Yes, yes,
you
yes.
can share it to us. So,
Mhm.
ano nga ba yung naging evolution ng product
Yeah,
ni
so
Cool Gear?
starting 4 years ago, first we have a cooling box. So the cooling box, you attach it to the carpenter's belt, and then it's like providing you cooling air, but it's inefficient and requires a lot of power. And then a funny story about that cooling box when we presented it to our advisor. And then the engineering faculty is just one big room, and then each department was just divided with a cubicle. Then when we presented it to our advisor, instead of providing cooling air, it smokes up because of short circuit. And then we were thinking, oh no, this is the end. I think we're gonna fail this subject. So and I think thankfully our advisor just told us just to repair it and then present it next week, but in our laboratory. So we'll just take pictures and videos of it. So that's was our first product, the cooling box, and then through research now we know because it's inefficient, so um we know that NAPES is also one of the cooling
Mm,
points, and then
mm.
we change or pivot to direct skin contact na cooling. So
Oh,
instead of air or convection, we change it to conduction. And
oh,
then from that second version, when you open the device, it has a lot of wirings. And then for the third version, we have this two-part device to have longer working hours, because our second version just runs up to maybe minutes, less than an hour. So we have our third model that can run up to 2 hours. And then for the latest model, we have reached our milestone. It can run up for 4 hours, and it can provide you below 15 degrees Celsius
oh,
cooling. Yes.
oh. And by the way, ano, so yung groupmates mo nung thesis, college thesis, kayo din yung co-founders now ni Cool Gear. Is that right?
Yes, yes. And then we just added one, which is also a close friend of ours, because
Oh.
we are in the same scholarship
Hmm.
college.
Sige, ituloy natin yung story, ano. So, actually, kasabay, so nag-start siya sa college thesis and you build the product. Actually, you change the product. Nag-evolve din yung product, ano, para talagang maging effective. So, can you continue the story until yung now? So, now, Actually, can you share muna pala, Ivan, yung iyong background, ano? So, where are you from and what's the school na pinanggalingan ni Cool Gear?
Yes, yes, yes. So, Kogir, I'm industrial engineering. So, also our three co-founders, we are industrial engineers,
Mm.
and then our other co-founder, Leo, is an electrical engineering. So Leo is a one higher year, and then because we are in the same scholarship, Field Dev Foundation.
Oh, yeah, Field the
So,
Foundation.
and it's because of Dado Banatao that also motivates or inspires me to pursue this technopreneurship journey.
Mm,
And then also, I also believe that it's also the same for Kenneth and Leo because the three of us are part of former scholars, and then also Irene, a DST scholar. So, and then after graduating, we filed our first patent. And then I worked for 2 years for a company, but I am still burdened with the problem that people is getting discomfort or uncomfortable or at risk to heat-related illnesses. That's why I decided na I'll take my master's here in UP instead of industrial engineering. I believe that taking electrical engineering a master study can really help us develop
oh,
the product.
oh,
So, history why I met Leo because Leo also has his own startup, Micro, and then he also said that he also wants to help us. So, thankfully we have the same visions, change the world through a startup or starting a startup.
yes, use technology to solve problems in society and in the Philippines, maybe. So, I want to ask about, yeah, I mean, yung future pa ni Cool Gear, ano. Pero I also want to ask muna on the on the part or on the phase of product development. Kasi karamihan ng mga startups na na-interview ko dito sa podcast is mga service or mga digital.
Yes,
Very
yes,
rare ako
yes.
maka-interview ng product. So I'll take this chance to ask you, paano ba ang product development? And ano ba yung challenges ng product na as in developing an actual physical product? So, can you share lang some stories, some experiences, ano ba yung challenges, successes when building an actual product? I mean, how do you get feedback from users? How do you apply that feedback to upgrading or to evolving your product? So, paano ba nangyayari itong product development? Especially ito nga ni Cool Gear.
Yes. I think I'll just base it on the Lean Startup book, the Build, Measure, Learn Loop. So if you develop a product, uh, you cannot develop it when and have it perfect at one time. So you need to develop the first prototype and then have it tried with your potential customers, and then through their feedback, you improve. And then that's just the cycle. And then I'd like to highlight that along that cycle, you need to be fast. And then also, um, thank thankfully, as what learned last Monday with our UPRP grant awarding, that as a startup founder, you should understand or accept that you cannot be a know-it-all person. So you need to delegate it with the best person that can handle the task. So as of now, I'm still learning the process of being a startup founder, but that's one of the biggest lessons that I've learned.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah,
Mhm.
pero you said no na now you're taking masters in electrical
Yeah.
engineering, ano. So dahil din kay Cool Gear kaya ka
Yes. Yes.
nag-pursue pa ng ganitong specific skills. How about yung other co-founders? So where are they now and anong particular focus or particular skill, maybe business development or something yung kanilang ginagawa?
Yes, yes. So, I said earlier, the co-founders we shared the same vision, and then we also shared the same burden and dedication for Cool Gear. So now I'm a master student in electrical engineering, specialized in microelectronics, and our CTO, Leo Violba, he is an electrical engineering, but he was a graduate of an Erasmus Mundus
Oh, Erasmus.
scholarship,
Yeah. Sa
and
Europe.
then yes, yes, and now he's also part of a company in Spain. And then also Irene, she's planning to take a master's here in UP then. So
Oh.
hopefully she can um, uh, pursue it. And then because she was for now, our CMO. And then
Mm.
Kenneth, he's currently business development at Del Monte. But he's also
Oh.
planning to transfer here in Quezon
Oh.
City. So yes.
So ikaw pala ang pinaka-technical din ano right now na person when it comes to Cool Gear sa inyong team, tama?
Um, I I I cannot say that because it's Leo
Okay.
who does all the technical
Ah,
part. So for me, it's more on the production, on the
ah,
3D printing, but on the circuits, it's Leo who handles it.
oh. Yeah, and by the way, kung okay lang i-share, no, how do you manufacture? How do you produce this product? And do you have like a lab? Do you have like an area where you do it? So maybe not exactly to share because of course these are some secret information, ano, pero parang can you give a glimpse lang? Kasi a lot of, yun nga, it's very rare that I talk to a physical product startup. So, pa-share lang ano ng parang behind the scenes of manufacturing these, producing the actual product. And where do you get the materials? Are they all locally sourced?
Yes, yes. So before I answer that, I would like to thank all the foundation and governments who supported us because having or developing a product really costs a lot. So it's DST TAPI for its technology validation grant or Galing program, and also UPRF for its prototyping grant. And now we have just had our uh, seed grant from UPRF. So we developed it in house for the casing. We 3D printed it using
Oh,
an ABS filament, and then we're also looking at using ASA. And then for the custom PCB, we have it fabricated international, and
oh,
then we ship it here, and then we manually assembled it. So as most startup usually starts, they start in a garage, or but for Cool Gear, it started with my own boarding house room,
oh,
boarding
boarding
house, or
house.
just a small room. So yeah.
Oh. And by the way, ano ang pricing? What do you see as like the pricing ni Cool Gear? Actually, nakita ko to, I think nung demo day, right? So, I think natanong ito nung isa sa mga panelists if I remember correctly. So ano nga ba ang pricing nung Cool Gear device? Ano? How do you see it to be marketed or to be sold to people?
Yeah, so as one of the target markets for Cool Gear are motorcycle riders, cyclists, fitness enthusiasts, and outdoor workers. These are people who are all spends a lot of their time outdoors or under the heat of the sun. So you can see our Cool Gear Max price in our website,
Okay, okay.
coolgear.ph. So it's priced around the pre-order for the first 100 is 2,500
Oh,
only.
oh, ang mura.
So that's only for 100 first 100 early
First
adopters.
100.
So the slot is filling up. So um, pre-order na.
Pre-order now. Actually, I'm very interested ano, kasi ako, I'm a jogger. I actually run marathons. Although ngayon baka medyo
Nice.
hindi na ako ganun ka-fit. Pero, I mean, I run marathons and I'm an outdoor person. Somehow, sanay ako sa init ng araw. Pero ngayon, grabe talaga ang init ng araw. Mas malala ang init ngayon compared nung mga nakaraan, ano. So, and totoo 'no, na yung mga marathoners or runners ako kasi I like, tawag dito, yung road running,
Mm,
like running in the city, actually right now I live in Bulacan, so medyo sa streets ng Bulacan. Tapos minsan inaabot ako ng araw, as in inaabot ako mga 8 AM, mga
mm.
9 AM. So, I think it's also perfect for people like me na medyo may gano'ng exercise, may gano'ng activities outside na bumili or mag-invest sa Cool Gear. Kasi these hobbyist people really do spend a lot sa mga gears. I mean, yung mga
Yes,
gears,
yes.
'di ba?
And it's expensive.
It is
Yeah.
it's expensive.
Mm.
Because this is their hobby. They really have the money to spend on it. If you're gonna spend it on like a Cool Gear na actually maaari maka-save ng iyong buhay kasi actually ang dami ko nang naranasan na like nagjo-jogging pa ako, maaraw pa, pero gusto ko pa rin tapusin yung takbo ko. Tas ang init-init na, muntik na akong as in muntik na akong mahimatay,
Yes.
ganyan, ganyan, yeah. So, I think for people like me, or other people na may gano'ng hobby, so I think tayo, let's try out Cool Gear.
Yeah.
Eh,
I'm also interested in knowing what's your current um solution in cooling your body after or while running or after running.
Yeah, good question. Alam mo, actually, good question. Actually, maraming beses na nga sa'kin nangyari na parang in the middle of the run, parang as in sobrang init, as in nag-aano na ako, bumibilis na yung heartbeat
Mm-hmm.
ko. Ang pinakamagagawa ko lang ay una, pumunta sa lilim, pumunta sa shade.
Mm,
Wala akong device eh.
mm,
Pumunta sa shade. Um, and then, kung bukas na yung mga, may bukas na convenience store, magpunta sa aircon. Pero masama yun, di ba? Kasi it's a rapid change
mm.
of temperature sa masama yun. So, actually wala akong solution. So,
Yeah.
I think this kind of device can help me. Pero gusto ko din, and let's share some thoughts on this, yung mga commuters ngayon.
Yes.
Uso ngayon sa mga commuters yung mga may fan, no?
Yeah.
So, what do you think of these commuters? Do you think pwede rin maging helpful ang Cool Gear for them?
Yes, so much because one time when I'm trying the product and then I just ride a jeepney and then it's really hot, so and then the jeepney is waiting to have its seat filled up, and then all the people there were just using traditional fans
Yeah.
or the portable fans, while me using Cool Gear on the side of the jeep, just sleeping because I feel a cooling sensation at the back of my neck. So, and then I think it's just also explain that their portable fans are still not enough because the air is also hot.
Yeah. Actually, parang kami sariling aircon, Kasi ang
Yeah.
problema sa fans, ayun, hindi lang sa jeep. Actually, naisip ko isa pa, sa simbahan, churches. Like when you go to a simbahan, ang daming tao, kulob, magko-fan ka, pamaypay, or kahit yung mga fan, ang init din ng hangin.
Yes,
So,
yes.
iba pa rin kung may device na talagang hihigupin or tutulungan ilabas yung heat sa katawan mo. Kasi
Yeah.
actually, totoo yun, as a runner, may tinatawag na parang chilling effect eh. Hindi porket dehydrated ka, hindi mo kailangan uminom ng tubig. Kailangan mo lang makaramdam ng parang chilling or parang cooling effect pala. Sorry,
Yes.
cooling effect. So, hindi mo necessarily kailangan uminom ng tubig. Ang kailangan mo lang is hangin, or kailangan mo lang is makahinga, or kailangan
Or
mo malabas
ice.
yung heat sa katawan
Yes.
mo. So I think very special si Cool Gear in this way kasi hindi siya yung traditional na providing wind.
Yes.
It's actually a cooling by releasing the heat in your body. Tama ba?
Yes, tama yan. And then also I've interviewed Philippine Bike Demo Expo is a cyclist that usually long rides yung ginagawa niya, and then yung resting period niya bumibili siya ng ice and then wrap it around a towel and then put it at the back of its neck or his neck. So that's when you have Cool Gear, you don't need to
Yeah.
buy ice or towel, so you have your rechargeable ice pack.
Tsaka actually, ang problem doon sa ice pack, or actually ako, like, sobrang init na, pupunta akong convenience store, bibili ako ng malamig na Pocari Sweat. Pero, after like 10 minutes, wala na yung lamig nun eh. Diba?
Yes.
So, I think yun pa isa ng mahalaga na ginagawa ng Cool Gear is parang nasusustain yung cooling effect nito.
Yes.
Pero, yeah, sige. So, speaking of like the quality of the cooling, so baka skeptical yung ibang nakikinig na, totoo bang malamig yan? Totoo bang ano? So, ano yung parang inyong patunay? Actually, I heard na ng demo day. May nagtanong na ng demo day. Na parang up to what temperature yung parang effect ni Cool Gear, So, yeah, can you explain it?
Yeah, so if you want to really more on our data and experiment, you can follow our Facebook or be one of our subscribers in our website because we posted some experiments results there. So it's below 15 degrees Celsius in just an instant of seconds or in just seconds. So it's really, we really want to attain, but not on the attain the same temperature of an ice, but not on the extreme part that you will have a cold burn. So it's one of the risks if you have using this device. So we just set the temperature range that it is safe to use.
Yeah, actually yun yung isang kinaganda ng Cool Gear. So, marami nag-support sa inyo. First of all, Upscale, and then now UPE, RDFI. So, may mga connections din kayo sa mga Philippine laboratories and actually sa mga technology spaces dito sa Pilipinas. So, na-iterate nyo and na-experiment nyo ng maayos si Cool Gear. So, you have the proper research na. So, kumbaga, it's a proper R&D product, no? kumbaga, madiin yung research na pinanggalingan ng Cool Gear. Tama ba? So may research dito na nangyari, and then now you're trying to you're actually commercializing it now. Is that right?
Yeah, so as much as possible, we really want a product that is safe to use, a quality product, and uh, price, not pricey.
Affordable.
Yes,
Yeah.
affordable. So,
Ayun.
and also Cool Gear, we have interviewed this. Cool Gear is also dermatologist approved, so we have this one interview with a dermatology, and then our body's natural cooling mechanism is sweating, but
Yeah.
with Cool Gear, so it will help you reduce your sweating. And then there's also a study that we saw that having this device can really reduce the sweat rate. Yes, yes.
Oh.
So it's also one of the the benefits that you can have if you have Cool Gear.
Yeah, reduce sweat rate, pero nare-release pa rin yung heat sa katawan. Tama?
Yeah, if it's not enough, so as the body will be forced to rely on its natural cooling mechanism, sweating.
Ayun. And i-share lang natin na right now, andito nga tayo sa co-working space or office ng Upscale. So kaya medyo maraming tao sa likod. So andyan din yung mga ibang incubators actually ni Upscale kasi itong office or co-working space ni Upscale ay open sa incubators nito. So actually araw-araw andito yung mga tao or hindi araw-araw actually pero most of the days andito yung mga tao. So speaking of your journey in Upscale. So paano nga ba kayo napunta dito sa Upscale? Paano kayo naging incubate ni Upscale? And kamusta ang experience dito sa program ni Upscale?
Nice. So it was when one of our subject in master's study, technopreneurship.
Oh, sino prof mo dun?
My prof is Doc Season.
Si Doc
So
Louie.
it happens to
Okay,
be
okay.
the program director of Upscale. So we use Cool Gear for that subject, and
Oh.
then we got exempted. And then after the subject, I emailed Doc Season how we can move forward.
Oh.
So how we can bring Cool Gear to the market, and then thanks to Doc Louis Season that he referred us to Upscale, and then introduce and with Upscale help us to introduce with other grants that will help us in the development. And then coming from an engineering background, so we know less with the business side. So with Upscale, so it really help us balance on the more on the technical and on the business part. And then the other thing that I really appreciate with what Upscale bring to us are the mentors. So our mentors are really expert in their field. So it's our mentors are Fred Chua, CEO of Magellan Solutions and Silicon Technologies, Doc Al Serafica,
Oh, yeah.
and then also Sir Chicho Mantari.
Yeah, pero actually yun yung kinaganda ng mga TBIs kasi TBIs ito yung mga naka-attach sa mga school sa mga university. And usually yung mga students or yung mga tao dito sa mga universities, they're more on like the engineering side, the technical side. And ang goal nga ng TBIs is para matulungan sila na ma-turn into a sustainable business model yung kanilang ginagawa and ma-commercialize or as they call it, tech transfer and commercialization. So, para itong products na develop ng mga engineers tulad ni Ivan ay madala sa mas maraming tao in a commercial model. Kasi at the end of the day, we need to make a business out of it. Kasi not just for the profit, but of course, para ma-sustain operations to produce more Cool Gear, to produce more of the product, to sustain like the operations. The more R&D, more manufacturing, and more logistics din on bringing it out to people. Ayun. So, salamat Ivan sa usapang ito. What keeps you motivated? I mean, I'm very curious sa'yo kasi nung nakita pa lang sa demo day, very enthusiastic ka sa pag-explain mo or parang very proud ka kay Cool Gear. And you shared nga na this is like a college thesis. Nagsimula siya ng college. Pero I'm seeing more than that. I'm seeing parang you're actually enjoying what you do. Yun yung siguro masasabi ko. Simula nung nakita kita ng demo day. So, what keeps you motivated in Cool Gear or in doing this startup journey?
Yeah, so aside from my loved ones. So it was the heat problem never ends. So I kind of siguro during just last summer, siguro April, I saw a Facebook post about motorcycle riders pass out in the middle of the road.
Oh.
So uh, that news made me um, can't sleep at night. And then so it's more of 2 years ago when after graduating I worked for a company, and then every time I feel so tired, went home, ride a jeepney, I saw everyone, each passenger's faces now being bothered with the heat of environment. So, and then that's also one of the motivating factor for me that I want to turn their bothered faces because of the heat into into something that is more comfortable because having this cooling solutions or cooling body for for them.
Tsaka isa pang problema dito, lalo na sa Pilipinas na ang init, mas maraming tao nag-e-aircon. Pero 'pag nag-e-aircon naman, mas umiinit, like mas nagco-contribute sa global warming ano. So, kailangan natin mag-isip ng ibang solution na para malabanan yung init. Like mainit sa labas, pero we can still commute, we can still travel, lang hindi natin inaabuso yung mga aircon natin. Kasi it's an endless cycle, eh, na dahil mainit mag-e-aircon, tapos dahil nag-e-aircon magre-release ng gases, ng mas this magko-cause ng more init. So, it's an endless cycle. So, kailangan natin mag-isip ng mga solutions para kahit mainit, nakakalabas pa rin tayo. I mean, it's hard to think about that, pero just keep on supporting products like Cool Gear. Let's keep on developing products like Cool Gear na maaaring makalutas nga ng problem na yun. So, ano nga ba ang inyong future plans pa for Cool Gear? So, how do you plan to further develop or upgrade Cool Gear? And how do you plan to further like market or sell Cool Gear para mas makarating sa mas maraming tao?
Yeah, yeah. So with the name itself, we name our company Cool Gear Technologies. So Cool Gear will play on the wearable cooling or portable cooling industry or spaces. So we're looking to Cool Gear being the leading provider of wearable cooling or portable cooling devices by 2030 or in the Philippines or in the world. So also we are for now we have our online store, so you can visit it coolgear.ph, but we are planning to have it closer to you. So we're planning to partner with different stores like accessory shops, motorcycles, accessory shops, convenience stores, or gasoline stations. So we wanted to made it available and then accessible for you.
Ayun. So, para sa mga interesado kay Cool Gear, so visit the website. Ulit,
Coolgear.ph.
coolgear.ph, and you can also follow them on Facebook
Yes, Cool
and
Gear.
Instagram. So, follow Cool Gear. And
Also TikTok.
TikTok rin pala.
Yes.
So, follow Cool Gear sa TikTok. And I'll put those details below, if you want to know more about Cool Gear. Kasi napaka-cool talaga ni Cool Gear. Ayun. So, maraming salamat, Ivan, for this conversation. I'm
Thank
actually
you,
a
Jack.
big fan of what you're doing. I'm actually a big fan of Cool Gear. So, this is very unique. This is very special. And I hope mas maraming tao ang makaalam kay Cool Gear. So, salamat, Ivan.
Yes, thank you, Jenny, and especially would like to thank all the listeners and viewers for Startup Podcast PH.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much to our 42 patrons. This episode is super powered by AskLex PH Academy, our official e-learning partner. Get certifications on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and many more. 1. CFO services, bookkeeping and tax, and payroll processing for startups and small businesses. Tuala, the next evolution of digital trust, privacy-focused digital experience for sharing identity information across Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystems. And Space PH, global co-working space, private office, and meeting rooms for startups, digital nomads, and freelancers. UBI Philippines, advocating universal basic income for Filipinos. Ignite Careers, career matching platform for Filipino talents and hiring companies in the outsourcing industry. Mamiki Super Pet App, the Philippines' first ever one-stop mobile app for pet products and services. Divico Technologies, IT solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. DBuzz, Web3 microblogging app promoting freedom of speech and content ownership. Benjoy's Food Products, the home of premium bacon ends, tapa, and tocino. Looking for buy and sell online with Sigurado sellers. NutriCoach, the all-in-one productivity tool for dietitians and nutritionists. Spotify Team, podcast post-launch, production, editing, and management company helping increase podcasters' efficiency. Smile, consent-driven digital employment verification service to make smarter decisions faster. Mata Technologies, Philippines' premier provider of virtual tours and virtual maps for LGU's real estate, tourism, and private businesses. ROC.ph, our creative marketing partner. Get unlimited digital marketing services monthly. This episode is powered by Contact RFID Business Cards, Sirius MD, Pocketworks, Founders Launchpad, Uplift Codecamp, Agile Data Solutions, Hustle PH, Board Prep, Zales, and Pareto Consulting. Please support the podcast through the links in the description.